Linux Mint 22.3, codenamed Xena, was released earlier this year, and people are already calling it the best desktop Linux release for 2026.
Bruh.
After using it as my daily driver, I found some impressive improvements, things you should know before upgrading. This release is based on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and will receive updates and support until April of 2029. Mint 22.3 comes in 3 desktop variations. We have Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE. You can pick whichever one you prefer. What's new? The System Information app replaces the old System Report. It includes 4 diagnostic pages to help troubleshoot hardware and drivers without terminal commands. There's USB devices, GPU, PCI components, and BIOS. Secondly, the System Administration tool adds a dedicated GUI for managing the grub boot menu and editing kernel boot parameters without altering text files. Third, the Update Manager adds a system tray warning icon that appears if system restart is required after package updates. When it comes to the File Manager allows you to pause and resume ongoing file copy operations. Then there is the Template Manager. This File Manager features a template organizer so you can easily configure the Create New Document right-click menu item. So you can make a template, and from there you can always create a new document based on that template. System and security enhancements. Linux Mint relies on an updated package base that is Ubuntu 24.04. The Linux 6.14 kernel for better modern hardware compatibility and has shifted to Pipewire as the default sound server. Now to system backup. There are several changes on Timeshift. You can now pause and resume system backup snapshots. Then there is Warpinator, the network file sharing app, which now includes IPv6 support and lets you send text messages between connected devices. And finally, there's Wayland support. Wayland is an experimental feature available on the Cinnamon edition of this release, but you have to opt in, otherwise X11 is the default. What I have here is XFCE, so no Wayland for me. When it comes to looks, well, Linux Mint has retained the same look, and you wouldn't even be able to tell it apart from the previous version without digging a little bit deeper. This right here is consistency, guys. So the question is, should you upgrade? Of course you should, but don't expect much difference. You are updating for 2 main reasons. That's support and security updates. And that's it for today's review of Linux Mint. Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.